Ah, the chocolate chip cookie. Before I grab a glass of milk to dunk this in, I want to look at every detail of this perfect doughy confection. The dough forms valleys and peaks as it bakes around the chocolate chips. The chips become slightly gooey, then miraculously retain their shape while sitting in a 375-degree oven for 11 minutes. It defies logic. It defies science. The whole cookie, a slightly imperfect round handful of goodness, beckons for a glass of cold milk to be dunked into, then bitten with haste so as not to drip milk on your chin. Oh, the chocolate chip cookies, so perfect, so soothing, so deliciously satisfying. I can't wait. This is my one treat. Just one. I can only allow myself to have this one because if I say I can have more, I will indulge too much. This one cookie that I chose, special, out of all the 4 dozen that I baked. This is the chosen cookie. This is the favored cookie. Special. Chosen. My mouth is watering. I need to go get the milk. I need to get it. Hey!